When you define your values like responsibility, respect, let me tell you this, you cannot get a kid in trouble. You can't ding a kid. You can't, document their behavior for disrespect if you haven't taught what respect is in your building. Don't get hung up on what respect is to you the way you were raised. Let's face it, if I rolled my eyes at my mother, I wouldn't have a face, all right, because I'm from that generation. So we've got to be real careful that we say in this building, this is what respect looks like, sounds like, and feels like, and we're going to teach it. We are not going to limit it to a poster on the wall that says respect is raising your hand, flushing the toilet, not talking when someone else is talking. I don't want you to be out in the workplace later on in life and I say to you, that comment was a little disrespectful towards your colleague. And you say, what do you mean? I flushed the toilet. I raised my hand. When we connect values as heavy as respect to behavior, we miss the mark. We're telling kids that this is what respect is across the board. If I know what respect is, I'm going to raise my hand and flush the toilet anyway.